My name is Ritam Chatterjee and I am a final year Master's Engineering student from IIT Gandhinagar, India. My major is in mechanical engineering, but my area of interest lies in materials. This interest initially stemmed from my undergraduate thesis at Vellore Institute of Technology, India. The project was a comparison of the failure modes in two different composites, polyurethane and polyisocyanurate, for two different loading conditions, bending loads basically, 3-point and 4-point. What we found was that one of the samples could withstand a much greater load as compared to the other one, and we studied the crack propagation and failure modes that were occurring in both the composites. After this, my interest has been consolidated from the coursework and research work that I have carried out during my masters at IIT Gandhinagar. In my coursework, I have studied dislocation theory, superplasticity, creep, failure analysis, fatigue, and a few manufacturing techniques such as deep drawing, forming processes, and a few of the important intrinsic material parameters such as strain rate sensitivity, strain hardening exponent, and plastic anisotropy. My career objective is to be an academic, and I would like to work as a material science researcher in a reputed organization. I believe that joining Nanyang Technological University, which is a world-renowned facility for research, would be one of the best decisions of my life, and I will definitely achieve my goals. As to why I am a suitable candidate for carrying out research, I can say that I am a calm and patient person, and I have recovered from severe failures in my life, which are reflected in the documents that I am submitting to Nanyang. And at Nanyang, I would like to examine the process property and structure correlations, and this will involve a lot of material characterization work, some of which currently I am acquainted with at Indian Space Research Organization, where I am carrying out my master's thesis related to superplastic characteristics for aluminium alloy 2195 for 3 different thermomechanical treatments. I believe that the coursework that I have carried out, combined with my research experience, which includes 2 recent publications to a conference in Hyderabad, plus my test scores, make me a suitable candidate for carrying out fruitful research at Nanyang Technological University, Singapore. Thank you.